Welcome to this tutorial on using the Assign to Me section in ZenInbox. This feature helps you stay organized by allowing you to view and manage tasks assigned specifically to you. Navigate to the Assign to Me section. In the sidebar, locate the My Tasks dropdown and click on the Assigned to Me section. This area displays all the emails and tasks that have been assigned to you by your teammates. View Assigned Emails. When you open an assigned email, you'll see the task details, including the subject of the email, the sender's information, priority tags, if applied. This provides you with the context you need to take action on the task. Update the status for each task. You can. Mark it as completed once you've addressed it. Snooze the task for later if it's not urgent. For assigning email, open the email. Begin by opening the email or task you want to assign to a teammate. This could be a priority email, a customer query, or any task that requires action. Access the Assign Task panel. Click on the Assign Task icon located in the right-hand toolbar. This will open the Assign Task panel where you can search for teammates. Search and select a teammate. Use the search bar in the Assign Task panel to find the teammate you want to assign the task to. Select their name from the list. The teammate's role will be displayed for easy identification. Assign the task. Once the teammate is selected, click the Reassign button to assign the email or task to them. A confirmation will appear, indicating the task has been successfully assigned. Monitor the assignment. After assigning the task, it will be visible under the Teammates Assign to Me section. Benefits of assigning tasks to others. Collaboration. Delegating tasks ensures that the right person is handling the email or task. Efficiency. Avoid bottlenecks by assigning tasks to team members with the appropriate expertise. Accountability. Clear task ownership helps maintain accountability within the team. With ZenInbox, assigning tasks to others is quick and efficient, ensuring smooth workflow management and improved team productivity. Thank you for watching and enjoy collaborating seamlessly with your team using ZenInbox.